Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn how to trade long trade. I believe we have been learning about to do scalping and single time frame, and today we are going to learn about how to trade a long trade. All right, allow me to start with GBP USD so that we can learn about how to trade a long trade. And this will be my advice to all traders. You know, people used to trade for hours and you hold for long time, but things keep on changing in Forex market. And if you want to be a very, very successful trader, it is good to understand on how to trade. And it is good to understand the major strategies that works in Forex market. As I've been telling you about the full price action, you must have the knowledge of full price action, how the SMC concept works, and also how the ICT concepts works. If you combine the three of them, you'll always be a successful trader. So in this video, we are going also to learn how to set up the long trade on our EA. And I would like you to follow this video closely because, as I said, our system now and works with all three institutions or three major strategies that works in Forex market. So it doesn't matter which system you have, whether it is for golden, whether it is for pairs, whether it is whatever system you have, they all do the same thing. The difference, it is the behaviors of the currencies or gold, metals, whatever you trade, they behave differently. This is why the system can be similar, but because of the behaviors of everything in Forex market or anything in Forex market, the setup cannot be the same. This is why we say you can request your special order if maybe you don't trade pairs. All right, guys. For example, let us open, this is XNES, all right? As you can see in XNES, we have Forex indicator, cryptos, energies, Forex indices, stocks, metals, and a lot of things that are inside this platform. If you jump into Derif, you'll find something familiar like this one, but maybe there is additional of other stuffs to trade. All right, Bitcoin and other stuffs. So this is why, even if our system, this is why I told you we don't have many EA, so don't get confused. Our EA is almost one. The difference is we must set up according to what you like to trade. When it comes to pairs, it is my advice to work with the major currencies. But if you want to work with all, well and good. All right, guys? So don't say, oh, I'm waiting, maybe there is another system, there is another system. No, the system is almost one. It is only that they are what we trade, it is them that behaves differently. So you don't expect currencies to behave like a crypto. You don't expect crypto to work like stocks or other metals or other indexes. You don't expect them to work the same. So this is why I told you that the only difference with our system, it is only two. One, it is the pip center, but behaves the same thing. All right, it acts like other system. The difference is that the pip center has the Fibonacci retracement. All right, so if you want the pip center, then that is the only difference. But analyzing the market and getting into the market, they are working the same. So in this video, I just want you to follow closely because it is the same thing you'll be seeing in whatever you want to trade, whether the analysis or technical analysis, they are all the same. All right, guys. So let's jump in. Before we enter into the setups, let us analyze, for instance, the GBP USD. And I'm going to open three charts because this is what I'm going to give you an example with on how to analyze the charts before picking the trades. and how simple it is to set up on our EA. And today we are still going to learn in TFX Master EA, because that one is what deals with currencies pairs. All right. So if you want to be successful trader, we all know if you want to trade in 1 hour time frame, you have had this all over. You must confirm on a daily time frame before you enter into 1 hour time frame. And because of the experience we have, we must have a middle time frame before we take any trades. We must have a big time frame, whereby this time around we are going to daily. All right, so follow me closely, because I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up all these in the EA, because it has all varieties of trading. It has everything that any trader is looking outside there to suit your strategy. And if you are a beginner in Forex market, don't worry, we set up everything for you according to what you trade. So you don't have to worry, you don't have to have any experience. You can work with our system in a very simplest way by working with us. All right. The other thing, all our system works with any broker in Forex market, whether for MT4 or MT5. So we work with any broker. So the middle time frame here, it will be 4 hours time frame, while the signal time frame here, it will be 1 hour time frame. Now let me set here my my higher time frame handles. For example, this is a daily time frame. So in a daily time frame, we can all see how the market is behaving, all right, from this area going pull back, blah, 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 and now it is still an up trade. It was about to hit our resistance, then there was a reversal. But let us analyze this market with also SMC concept strategy here. Let's check what is happening here. This market came almost to hit our resistance. All right, we must do small analysis, guys, because it is good to understand. We also know what we are doing, or what we have done on our work in this area. You can see after here, the pullback here, there is a BOS, all right? The break of structure at this point, then the market went to this area, then reverse. What are you expecting here if you are also trading SMC concept? And if you can check correctly here, we also have a reversal bullish candle here, all right? So let us check again, let us draw, because this is here, this is where you expect to buy the market. Why this area? All right, why this area? Because there is a BOS, and the cause of this BOS was this internal structure at this point before we came down here to our PY also, and our extreme area, it is at this point. And remember, this is a daily time frame. What have you learned in Forex market? If you must know, if I combine all these things, it must come to this level, all right? Because these are all the same thing, all right? These are internal candles or inside candle. There is a lot of names there. These are inside candles. There is no candle that is taller than the other one. You can see where the market reached at this point. Then, as you can see at this area, the market hit at this point, and I'm not proving any point here. I'm analyzing this market professionally, the way if I was trading manually without any indicator, where I would have been looking my entry in small time frame or in 1 hour time frame. All right. Now, that is where now we get our entry into, and we jump into 1 hour time frame, and we take our entry confidently for this buy. Why this buy? Because of this BOS, we're expecting this market to this area, and if this market can drop, it will come to this point. Let me show you. We all know this area. All right. Again, after touching this area, the market also will reverse. All right, will reverse. or if again it will break that area, we know we are coming to our extreme, even this point, or also our extreme area. And you can see our setup here is great because it can show you exactly where we are going, all right, according to short and long trades. Let's jump in to 4 hours time frame. That is our middle time frame, whereby this is where now we attach our EA. Now, let us analyze what is happening now in 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we were looking for a buy at this point, all right? We are looking for a buy currently where the market is. Now, if we go to 4 hours time frame, you can see where now our trend maker is, exactly area where we are supposed to buy. The good thing is, after entering the market here, the stop loss will be placed somewhere here, because it must have some pips, then that is where the stop loss will be. The good thing is, in case of anything they hit your stop loss, it is the time that they will be coming to check what is happening into this area, or to test this area before going up. Because if this area is so weak that caused the BOS in 4 hours time frame, at this point, because this is where the BOS is, if this area is so weak, it's not strong, then this area is very strong, because this is where we call a 50-50 area. And when it dropped to this area, then this tells us that this market will drop to this point, because this is a strong area before going up. But after hitting our stop loss, because our entry will be somewhere here, after hitting our stop loss here, before market come to test this area, it will recover the loss that was taken into this buy by taking. This is the best thing with our EA. It must recover, because after breaking this zone, it tells you that it's coming to test this area before the market going up. And by the moment it will drop here, it will hit our stop loss and again recover before the market going up. Are you getting the point? This is why I've been telling people there is no way you will ever experience a drawdown or blow your account. Let me continue showing you something here that's very important, guys. So all we're expecting here, if the market will break this area, definitely this market will come to this point, again continue going up. By the time it will drop here, it will hit our stop loss and recover. Even if it will reverse from this point, then it will recover and look for a buy entry, then it will take entry. But remember, we are not buying according to what is happening here. This is just it is still analysis that the EA is analyzing daily time frame and see we are looking for a buy. Then again, in 4 hours, it has confirmed that buy. All right. And remember, this was a good entry also in 1 hour time frame. Remember, here in 4 hours is just one candle, but in 1 hour time frame, we are talking about 4 candles, because every candle here stands for 4 hours, and in 1 hour time frame, it stands for 4 candles. All right. So here we say we have 8 candles to this area. This tells us we would have already banked in 1 hour time frame. So let us jump in 1 hour time frame and see what is there. All right. I'm using these templates as an example so that we can jump and show you how simple it is by banking in for by setting this up on our EA. So as you can see here, guys, the market is still in a bullish, all right? And what I'm talking about this entry at this point, let's jump to 1 hour time frame. That area, it is here or here. It is already here. Let's come here and see. You would have already banked this point, but still you can see there is no exit, but the market reversed to this point, telling you that this market will still go up. And still now, since now we are taking the signals in 1 hour time frame, the reason why we are picking now the trades in 1 hour time frame, the stop loss will be here. All right. the stop loss will be there. Stop loss being there because it is 30 pips from this point, all right? So it will be 30 pips from that point, all right? So this tells us this is where now our stop loss will be here, all right? So this is where our stop loss will be, all right? Because that is now where the 30 pips is somewhere here. Let us catch it again. Yeah, exactly there. All right. 300 points is there. All right. So that is where our stop loss is. So this tells us in case they hit our stop loss, you can see this distance from here to here. We are very sure they are coming to test this area. So what the EA will do also will close that buy and place sell automatically and recover the sell before this market continue going up. It is very, very simple as that. It is very tiresome, guys, to analyze these things manually because this is what you must do. When trading in 1 hour time frame, you must know what is happening in 4 hours time frame, all right? You must know what is happening in daily time frame before picking trades in 1 hour time frame. That is how you analyze market professionally, and you must combine the SMC and ICT and price action. So if we talk about the price action here, it is very clear. If we talk about the SMC, it is very clear the way I was drawing some stuffs here. So we don't have to learn all those things because we are not learning SMC here or whatever we are talking about here. But it's very clear. You can see them, whether it is SMC, whether it is whatever, whether it is a confirmation of the candle, blah, 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 blah. All those things are very clear. And I do believe you can see it because if you are an experienced trader, all right? So after analyzing in daily time frame, you jump into 4 hours time frame. Also, you check they must line with the direction of the market from the daily time frame and also with 1 hour time frame. This is why there was a good buy in 1 hour time frame, buy, all right, and another buy. We don't have a sell. We don't have a sell in 1 hour time frame. All right, because even in 4 hours time frame, because this is just a minor pullback. This is a pullback after this BOS happened at this point. This is a pullback coming to check this area. This is why you say it can buy here or at this point. But this is a BOS, not even the change of character. The change of character here can happen in 1 hour time frame. If we notice, or if the signal or the EA spotted a change of character in 1 hour time frame, then it won't try to buy that market because it has already detected there is a BOS in 1 hour time frame. Because if you want to learn if the market is going to change the direction, you don't learn that in big time frame. You learn that the market will change the direction in small time frame. So if we are looking for buy in big time frame, and in small time frame, there is a change of character, expect a strong pullback in big time frame. It might not be a change of character in big time frame. It might be this pullback, because if we go to minute 5 or minute 15, you will find that we have already the change of character here from 4 hours time frame. Or can we try that? Because it is good. Let's go to minute 15 and see if we have the change of character there. And we only know the change of character because we can see we have our sub-D at this area. We have a supply at this area. So this tells you there is a change of character. There will be a big pullback. But if we go to 1 hour time frame, you see we don't have anything indicating a change of character. But that is a signal from small time frame telling you there will be a pullback, a strong pullback. So as you can see, the 15 minutes is talking about sell, all right? But in 1 hour time frame, you can see it is a strong pullback, but the market is still a bullish market according to what it's there in 4 hours and also in daily time frame. So we don't pick a change of character, or we don't detect the change of character from big time frame. If you want to know if there will be a pullback, a strong pullback, we can only spot that in small time frame. Simple as that. I know some of, oh, my friend, hey, this is a lot of work. Yes, it is a lot of work when doing manually. Let's analyze another. We can pick even gold. Where is gold? Yeah, let us pick gold and analyze even gold, because even if we are talking about the TFX MT5 Master EA, let us analyze gold because we have the golden EA, all right? We have the golden EA because the same setup here, you can also set it on gold. So let's take this to daily time frame and analyze how the behaviors of gold it has been, because this is all you missed in forex market. All right, this is a daily. All right, let's jump to 4 hours, because let's assume now you are trading gold in 1 hour time frame and you want to hold professionally, get a lot of money. All right, this is 4 hours and this is 1 hour. All right, this is 1 hour. Everything I'm showing you, it is what is in the EAs here. So we are doing it manually to analyze how the behaviors even of the gold, the way people have been making money, and a lot of people have been blowing accounts. Oh my, and you don't know why. Let's check this. Suppose you are working in you are trading gold. This is how gold is in daily time frame. You can see there is a good smooth buy. There is nothing like sell here. It's only bullish market in daily time frame. All right. If we go in 4 hours time frame, what do you see? It's a good buy. We have the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, where that here it's where our POS or our entry point is. You can see the market kicked here and went on. Boom, boom. All right. Entry, exit, and you can see the market reversed all the way from there to here, but there is no indication of selling. All right, let's jump to 1 hour and see if we have anything to do with sell. You can see there is no any sell here. But if we go to, let's check if in gold in 15 minutes, maybe if there was an indication of strong pullback here or nothing. It is still a bullish market here, but because we have this trend break at this point, it was still also an indication of a pullback, but it was not that strong as the combination of sub-D at this point, or supply at this point, and also a trend maker. This is why it was so strong when it came to sell. All right, but it is still a buy thing, but it still have some consolidation here and there and a small pullback. So this is why we go in 1 hour, you find something like this one, but this is still a bullish market. All right, because you can see it very clear. Someone will say, oh, my friend, I wish I knew this. I would have backed this gold. I would have buy. Yeah, you don't have to sell here. You would have only buy. And remember, we are talking about to trade short or long trades here in 1 hour time frame. I know some can trade long trade in a daily time on a 4 hours time frame. So here we are talking about a long or short trade in a 1 hour time frame, because it is the work of the EA to detect a long or a short trade, because you can see here it's very short, but here it's very long. So here we are talking about it can trade long and short at the same time. I think according to how you have been watching, I think you watched the video about when we were doing back testing with the gold hunter. You find that it has the trades of short and long trades. All right, so it is behavior like from here to here it was long, from here to here it was short, from here we're expecting still a short trade. Let us take our final here. We can pick even Euro USD, because it's very simple. Again, we go to daily time frame. Let us attach this handle of daily time frame. Let us go to 4 hours. All right, so that we can start now set up the EA, so that the EA can do everything for you. All right, that is the work of the EA, guys, to work for you. So what I'm trying to show you here, it's just a small analysis or few analysis that the EA does before picking the trades, what you have been failing to do manually, all right? So if we go here, we can see we are coming from a support. So this is a good buy in 1 hour time frame. But also we must confirm in our mid-low time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, guys. You can see there was a sell here. Now it is a buy, all right? It's a buy. There is no anything like sell. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. You can see there was a buy, exit, buy, exit. This was long, this one was short. What do you see here? There was another good buy here and exit at this point. So it is waiting also for another buy signal because we are still buying this market to this area, or maybe it can break, or if it will reverse, we can spot that in small time frame. But that is the work of the EA, to spot that even in small time frame, to know if there will be a strong pullback, so that it doesn't pick any buy trades, to avoid those tricks or traps from the market makers. So you can see it's very simple according to our setup. And remember, our trend maker here, they also scan the market. So this is why it can only give a perfect entry and exit the market at the right time, because it can detect whether it is in minute 5 or 15, there is a pullback there. All right. So if you go, let's say for like minute 5, let's say, for example, you will spot that there was a pullback. All right. There was a pullback. Let's go to minute 15 or minute 5. There is a pullback at this point. All right. According to what the EA is analyzing. Let's go to this, because this is where we spot if there is a pullback in 15 minutes, all right, or even in minute 5. So it can help you not to take trades. And if it takes that even in minute 5, there is still a buy, and in minute 15, there is still a buy, because we don't have now any of the pullback here. All right, guys, we don't have any sign of a strong pullback here. Everything here, it's saying buy. All right, if we go to minute 5, everything here, it's saying buy. After this pullback of sell, it's still saying buy. So this tells us anytime from here, if because there is a BOS here in 1 hour time frame. All right, there is a BOS here. We're expecting this market to touch this area, then it can go up, or maybe it can come again to test this area. Then if it gives us another signal from our trend maker, then it will buy, because there is no any indication in minute 5 or in minute 15 for a strong pullback. So this tells us the Euro USD, it's a very good something very interesting on buying this Euro USD. But remember, this is the work of the EA. Now let us get in and set up and see what you can do. Remember, I told you I will take you through, because we don't have to give you all setups, but because this is for long traders, you know, we have noticed that a short traders, they are very few. Or scalpers. So only long traders that are many. So for instance, let's say, for example, we are trading all these pairs, all right? Now, let me give you with only these two as an example, or maybe GN or GP, which let's give, no, we have GPP. We can go even to AUD, USD. Let's not give an example with the same thing, all right? So this is very simple. You can do this by yourself, even without that, what do we call it? Without that template here. But this is all about communicating with us. Oh, me, my friend, I would like to trade a long trade for 1 hour, all right? That's all. We give you a setup, we set up everything for you, then you are good to go. But let us learn how you can do this for yourself, all right? So number one here, you'll go to daily time frame, all right? The only thing you need to do here, it is to attach this daily handle. because this is what will send you if you want to trade a long trade. But if it is for the scalping, the other, as you have been learning into other videos. So this here, you can see it is a TFX high time frame daily handle. So that's where you set your handle. The next one here, it is where you go into 4 hours. It will be very simple because that is where you are going to attach TFX master EA with handle. All right, you set it there. All right, then you pause auto trade or algo trade to set up to make sure that it will be picking the trades of 1 hour time frame. You don't need three charts. You only need 2 charts, one with the daily time frame, the other one with 4 hours time frame. Then let us go to this corner and double click to open our EA. So if we go to this area, we must make sure that the handle is true and the handle is for 4 hours. Here, let it remain 4 hours. The only thing now we are going to change here, it is this signal time frame or trade maker, right? Here we are going to set it 1 hour. All right, here we are going to let it remain in current. All right, so here it is the only place. You just make sure here the trend handle, it is true, and the other one you must make sure that it is true. It is this zone handle must be true. All right, then from there, if you have changed now the signal from minute 5 or minute 1 or whatever it was for the lower time frames, because now your lower time frame now it is 1 hour time frame. All right, so now the only thing now you can do, it is to save the template. All right, you can save the template with the name you want, because now you know that the template now, it will be analyzing daily, 4 hours, and picking trades in whatever is happening in 1 hour time frame. So the next time when you are going, let's say for Euro USD, you no longer need to do those things again. You just go to daily, you attach the higher time frame for the daily, you go to Euro USD again, the second chart, you go to 4 hours, you attach now the template you saved. Now, if we go here, we will find that now our signal time frame is 1 hour time frame. So you don't have to repeat it every time. For the stop loss, that is the work of the EA. All right. If I go here, let's say, for example, it is already here, only 30 pips. All right. If you want to increase, no, but that is the best risk ratio, right? 30 pips only. Now from there, you are good to go. You don't have to do anything but now to activate your algo trading or auto trading. All right. The next time again, you go to daily time frame, you attach the high time frame for daily handle. All right. Then you go to 4 hours. All right. We have already set it for big time frame. All right. And then now you attach your EA there. It is simple as that. After you have done that, what we have been learning here, it is what the EA will be doing. Will analyzing the market of what is happening in daily time frame. All right. Again, all right. Let me open this. Again, it will be checking for what is happening in 4 hours and big trades in what is happening in 1 hour. So all you need, it's only 2 charts, one with daily handle, and the next one where you attach the 4 hours EA. According to what we have set here, you can see those are part of the varieties that are with this EA. All right, so you can do that for yourself and save the template. So the next time you enter, you know, I just want to go for a long trade. I want to bank money without looking back. And let me tell you, when you are doing this, there is no a lot of traps. There is there is no a lot of tricks in market. If you stick into one lane, don't jump today, you are in scalping, today you are here, tomorrow you are here. No. That cannot work, my friend. That is only the EA can do all those works. But for you, you'll get tired and you'll find yourself blowing your account because you don't know where to stick. But for the EA, it's very simple to do all those things. Secondly, you don't need to trade everything in Forex market. Stick in one lane. If it is pair, choose only like 5 pairs. You are good for it. If it is other methods, whether it is indexes, US30, NASDAQ, and maybe SP500, just trade those 3 of them. You just talk to us. I just want to trade US30, NASDAQ, and blah, 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 blah. We fix that for your system, and it will do everything that you failed to do manually. It is simple as that. So guys, I do believe now you have learned how to do this thing manually. So now, if you fail to understand anything there, whereby I don't think so. I don't think there is something you don't understand. So let us repeat it just once. If you want to set up to trade long trade using the TFX MT5 EA, the EA that deals with currency pairs, or maybe if you are using the golden, but here we are talking about the MT5 master EA, the EA that deals with pairs. So you open 2 charts, guys. You open 2 charts. One, go to daily, attach this handle of a daily time frame. This is a class, so I must repeat. The second one, go to 4 hours time frame, attach your EA there. All right, the EA, master EA with handle. All right, then you make sure you pause here. Just a moment. All right, so you go to EA here and set that by yourself. You just go, because you have picked the one with the handle. Remember, here we were doing the scalping in minute 5, but now we are going to change signal into 1 hour time frame. That's all you need to do. After that, you save that template. All right, you save that template, you rename it the way you want, because now that one is for a long trader. And also, if that's all you need to do, if you have made up your mind that's what you'll be trading, we can send you by default so that you don't do anything. And if you think that maybe you'll do it wrongly, we can still do it for you. Then again, you activate the auto trade by making sure that you just go to options, because some people, they just click here. No, that's not enough, my friend. You just go to options, tools, options. Make sure you go to add expert advisors. Make sure you allow algo trading, blah, 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 in these 2 boxes. Then you are good to go, so that it cannot miss any opportunity. The other things, that is the work of the EA, to pick the trade, to close, to do whatever, to analyze. My friend, you don't have to do anything else. Just watch money banked by the EA on your phone, or maybe on your PC if you get time. This is time to work only by watching your phone to see how the EA is banking for you. Guys, and don't forget, the time is limit. You are almost running out of time, because I think we have already launched our MT5 EAs, and remember, the price is $2,000. But now we are only giving you a chance to grab this opportunity with $600 before we go to our normal price. Then from there is no blame game. You won't say I didn't give you enough time to get the EA. So if we go to 2,000, don't say we are greedy. We have already given you an opportunity. Even in 2,000, we are not going to stay there forever. It is for the time being. By December, we'll be talking about $5,000, whether you believe it or not, because there is no joke, there is no game here. It's all about banking money, and we can only work with a serious trader. If you think we are joking, stay there, my friend. We are still banking, making money. Also, thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.